Have you ever wondered which planet in our solar system has the most moons? The answer is Jupiter, with over 80 moons. In this video, we'll take a look at the 3 planets with the most moons in our solar system. Number 1. Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system, and it's also the planet with the most moons. Jupiter's moons come in all shapes and sizes, from tiny asteroids to massive moons like Ganymede, which is larger than Mercury. Some of Jupiter's most famous moons include Io. Io is the most volcanically active body in our solar system, with over 400 active volcanoes. Europa. Europa is covered in a thick layer of ice, but scientists believe that there is a vast ocean of liquid water beneath the surface. Ganymede. Ganymede is the largest moon in our solar system, and it's the only moon known to have its own magnetic field. Callisto. Callisto is one of the oldest moons in our solar system, and it's covered in craters. Number 2. Saturn. Saturn is the second largest planet in our solar system, and it has over 80 moons. Saturn's moons are just as diverse as Jupiter's moons, with some being covered in ice, while others are covered in volcanoes or lakes of methane. Some of Saturn's most famous moons include Titan. Titan is the largest moon in Saturn's system, and it's the only moon known to have a dense atmosphere. Titan also has lakes and rivers of liquid methane and ethane. Enceladus. Enceladus is a small moon that's covered in a thick layer of ice. Scientists believe that there is a subsurface ocean of liquid water on Enceladus, and they've even detected signs of hydrothermal activity. Rhea. Rhea is a moon that's covered in a thick layer of ice and craters. It's one of the oldest moons in Saturn's system. Iapetus. Iapetus is a moon that's known for its two-faced appearance. One side of the moon is bright, while the other side is dark. Number 3. Uranus. Uranus is the 7th planet from the Sun, and it has over 27 moons. Uranus's moons are unique in that they orbit the planet in a retrograde direction, meaning that they orbit in the opposite direction of the planet's rotation. Some of Uranus's most famous moons include Miranda. Miranda is a small moon that's covered in canyons, cliffs, and craters. It's one of the most geologically diverse moons in our solar system. Ariel. Ariel is a moon that's covered in a thick layer of ice and craters. It's the brightest moon in Uranus's system. Umbriel. Umbriel is a dark moon that's covered in craters. It's the 3rd largest moon in Uranus's system. Titania. Titania is the largest moon in Uranus's system. It's covered in a thick layer of ice and craters. These are just 3 of the many planets with moons in our solar system. Moons are fascinating objects, and they can tell us a lot about the planets they orbit. What is your favorite moon? Let us know in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating videos about space and science. I send love and light your way.